Happy Friday, 1A. Okay, we're going to get started. We are going to do 2 of the ELA and the math warm-ups today. They're like the games that we have played before. So if you go down here, and actually the best way to play it would be when you press present, okay? So you're going to go through, and I will read these to you, okay? So it's the joke of the day. What did little corn say to Mama Corn? And you're going to find out at the end of the day what she said, okay? If I know 4 plus 1 equals 5, then 2 plus 3 equals 5, 1 plus 4 equals 5, or 1 plus 5 equals 6. And remember, this is what it'll look like if you get an answer wrong. This is what it'll look like if you get an answer right. What time is it? 6:30, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Evelyn saw 3 bluebirds and 3 robins flying in the sky. How many birds did she see? 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, or 3 plus 3? So it says how many rectangles can be put together to make a square? 4, 3, or 2. How many tens are in this number? So 3 tens, 2 tens, or 4 tens. And then it says how many students choose biking as their favorite activity? 5 kids, 7 kids, or 3 kids. And this one is the biking one. Which picture matches the fraction shown below? So is it this one, or this one? Which one matches 1/4? 9 plus blank equals 10. 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3, or 9 plus 1. Jamari had 6 marbles in his hand. 2 marbles fell to the floor. How many marbles does he have left in his hand? So would you do 6 minus 2, 5 minus 2, or 3 minus 2? 10 plus 7, is that 14, 10, or 17? Joke of the day, what did Mama Corn say what did Little Corn say to Mama Corn? All right, we're going to jump down here to the ELA ones. Fact of the day, kids blink about 5 blank times a year. Is that 100 or a million? We'll find out at the end. Blank likes to play video games. Any, she, or me? Which would you use for the correct pronoun? Do you like fall blank, winter better? So, because, or? I saw blank new bakery. This, these, or an. I blank like onions on pizza. I X like, like, or dislike. Printing. What is the root word? Ed, print, or printer. Jolie and her family went apple picking. They got enough apples to make 10 apple pies. At home, they got to work baking the pies. This is Jolie's favorite tradition. Jolie's favorite tradition is to make apple pies. Jolie picked fruit, or Jolie's family works at a bakery. So what is the main idea? We had to march around the school 4 times for our parade. Does that mean walk, annoy, or swoop? Which sentence is a complete sentence? Lots of fun. Reading is the book was good. Sentence 2, 1, or 3. Which word makes the long O sound? Sand, joke, or ton? She was disappointed that the party was canceled. She started to cry. What does disappointed mean? So which word describes how the character feels? Upset, at ease, or glad? And then you would tap to reveal your answer, okay? Remember, when you are doing these, it is a lot easier to press present and play the game, okay? So watch the video and then go through and answer the questions. Of course, if you have a parent nearby that could read the questions to you, that's probably the easiest way, or you could just keep watching this video if you have to, okay? All right, guys, the last thing that you're going to do is there's a Scholastic News that was in your red folder. You'll go ahead and do that as well. And that is it. Hope you have a great Friday.